Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the English Flow podcast, the podcast where English becomes easy, natural, and fun.
Hi, everyone. We're so happy you're listening today.
I'm your host, John.
And I'm Emma.
On this podcast, we help you improve your English through real-life conversations that you can actually use every day.
And today's topic is one of the most important topics for speaking English.
Yes, today we are going to learn how to talk about your daily routine in English, from the moment you wake up to the moment you go to sleep.
This is a very useful topic for students, office workers, and anyone who wants to speak confidently.
Before we start, don't forget to like this episode, share it with a friend, and subscribe to the English Flow podcast for new English lessons every week.
Your support helps us a lot. And now, let's begin.
So, Emma, how are you feeling today?
I'm feeling great today, John. Thank you. How about you?
I'm okay, but I feel a little tired
Oh, really? Why are you tired?
because I had a very busy weekend. I woke up early on both Saturday and Sunday.
That doesn't sound relaxing at all. What did you do?
On Saturday, I went for a long morning walk with my dog. He loves morning walks. And on Sunday, I cleaned my whole apartment.
Wow, that really sounds like hard work.
Yes, it was. What about you? How was your weekend?
My weekend was nice and relaxed. I watched a movie at home and met my friend for coffee.
That sounds much better than my weekend.
Maybe next weekend you can relax more.
I really hope so.
So, now let's start talking about our daily routine, beginning with the morning.
Good idea. John, what time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning, but I don't get up immediately.
What do you do first?
I stay in bed for about 10 minutes and check my phone.
That's a very common habit. I do the same thing.
After that, I get out of bed and make my bed.
That's very organized. I go straight to the bathroom.
What do you do in the bathroom first?
First, I brush my teeth.
Me too.
Then I wash my face with cold water.
Cold water? That must feel very cold.
Yes, but it helps me wake up quickly. After that, I take a shower.
I take a shower every morning too, but I prefer hot water.
Hot showers feel very relaxing.
After my shower, I get dressed.
What kind of clothes do you usually wear?
I usually wear jeans and a blouse or a sweater. What about you?
I usually wear jeans and a t-shirt. I like simple and comfortable clothes.
After getting dressed, what do you do?
After that, I have breakfast. I'm always very hungry in the morning.
What do you usually eat?
I usually drink a big cup of coffee and eat 2 slices of toast with butter.
That's simple. I usually eat yogurt with fruit or scrambled eggs. And I always drink tea.
You never drink coffee?
Never. Only green tea.
More coffee for me then.
After breakfast, I wash my dishes and get ready for work.
Same here. I don't like dirty dishes in the sink.
How do you go to work?
I usually take the bus. The bus stop is very close to my house.
How long does the bus ride take?
About 20 minutes. I listen to music on the bus.
That sounds nice. I walk to work because my office is near my apartment. It takes about 10 minutes.
You are very lucky.
What time do you start work?
I start work at 9 a.m.
Same here.
I work in a shop, so the first thing I do is open the door, turn on the lights, and start the computer and cash register.
Is it busy in the morning?
No, mornings are usually quiet, so I organize items and sometimes read.
I'm a teacher, so I first check my emails and prepare my lessons.
How many classes do you usually teach in the morning?
I usually teach 3 classes before lunch.
That sounds busy.
Yes, but I enjoy teaching.
What time do you have lunch?
At 1 p.m.
Me too. I usually bring lunch from home, but sometimes I eat at a small cafe.
I eat in the school cafeteria. The food is simple and cheap.
Do you feel sleepy after lunch?
Yes, very sleepy.
I finish work at 6 p.m.
I finish at 5 p.m.
When I get home, the first thing I do is change into comfortable clothes.
Same here. That's the best feeling.
Then I start thinking about dinner.
I love cooking. I usually make soup, fish, or vegetables.
I cook pasta, rice, or chicken.
After dinner, I wash the dishes.
Me too. After that, I relax.
How do you relax?
I watch series, play video games, or talk with friends online.
I relax by reading, watching documentaries, and calling my family.
Before sleeping, I brush my teeth, wash my face, and set my alarm.
I usually sleep at 11 p.m.
I sleep at 12 midnight. That's why I feel tired.
Now let's revise some useful words.
Usually,
After that,
colleagues,
relax,
get dressed,
take.
finish.
These words help you describe your daily routine easily and naturally.
Now it's time for today's question.
What is your favorite part of the day and why?
My favorite part is the evening because I can finally relax.
My favorite part is the morning because it's peaceful and fresh.
Now it's your turn. Write your answer in the comments.
We read every comment and we love learning about your daily life.
Thank you so much for listening to today's episode of the English Flow podcast.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, share, and subscribe to the English Flow podcast.
Until next time, keep learning and keep practicing.
Goodbye, everyone.